Hello, UAE. Explained about the UAE official lottery, all you have to know before you buying tickets. The UAE lottery. Back in July 2020 for the GCGRA awarded a license for the first official lottery in the UAE to Abu Dhabi-based operator, the Game LLC. Last month, it was officially launched as the UAE lottery, with the rules and regulations around it explained for the first time. The UAE lottery will begin on Saturday, December 14th, with tickets now available to be bought via website the UAE Lottery.a. The Lucky Day Grand Prize will see one winner snap up a life-changing 100 million dirhams. There will also be 7 lucky chance IDs guaranteed to win 100k each. No additional licenses will be granted UAE. Ahead of the first draw of the UAE lottery on Saturday, December 14th, 2020 for the General Commercial Gaming Regulatory Authority GCGRA has confirmed that only 3 lottery operators will be granted licenses in the UAE. The UAE lottery, announced over the summer and set to begin with a DASS 100M jackpot this weekend, created and managed by the Game LLC, has been given the country's sole lottery license. Additionally, 2 long-running lottery activities will be allowed to continue. According to GCGRA, as per College Times, the airport lotteries Big Ticket and Dubai Duty Free are permitted to continue running under GCGRA supervision. All other existing lotteries or those offering lottery activities will not be eligible to obtain a lottery license and have been ordered to shut down by the GCGRA. So it's not likely that we'll see the Emirates Draw or Mahzooz come back in their previous forms. The UAE lottery. How it works. The tickets are priced at 50 dirhams, and you're given the opportunity to pick 6 numbers from 1 to 31, which we refer to as days. Following that, you select a single number from 1 to 12, considering it as the month. It is essential to indicate that you must be over the age of 18 to be a part of this experience. When you match all the 6 days and the month number, you will secure the top prize. On the other hand, if you match just the 6 days without including the month, you will receive a share of the second prize. Third prizes go to those individuals who match 5 days and the month. Fourth prizes are awarded to 5 days combined with no month, or 4 days coupled with the month. Additionally, you have the option to purchase scratch cards in order to secure a chance to win up to 50,000 dirhams, 100k dirhams, 300k dirhams, or 1 million. These digital scratch cards are priced at 5 dirham for obtaining the 50k dirhams prize, 10 dirhams for the DASS 100k prize, 20 dirhams for the DASS 300k prize, and 50 dirhams for the DASS 1 million prize. The chances of winning depend on how many scratch cards you purchased, and the tickets are available for purchase anytime between now and the draw taking place on March 13th. During this time, you can also access more information about how the draw will be conducted, including potential prizes, rules, and terms. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks again. God bless you.